String theory has turned from being the most hyped-up theory of quantum gravity to becoming a failure in the public eye. This has mostly to do with a lack of progress in the field, even after pouring huge physics manpower for over 30 years. Some geniuses of our time like Witten, Vafa, and Susskind have worked on string theory, but no significant progress has been made. There has been enormous progress in the mathematical part of string theory, but not substantial improvement in physics itself. This has made the public and funding agency question if pouring time on string theory makes sense anymore. Given this situation, what do string theorists actually think about this, and what would make string theorists give up on string theory? This question was discussed at the largest annual string theory conference, and the answer is they are not willing to give up soon. Strings 2021 is an annual conference that brings together the entire string theory community. Over 2,000 string theorists participated last year in this conference. This also shows how huge the string community actually is. During this conference, David Gross, a leading string theorist and Nobel Prize winner, take a question from the public on what would make string theorists give up on it.
Well, what would make you give up on string theory?
That's a very good question. Well, I think it's such a broad framework, and I've been working on it one way or another my entire life. So I can't see myself giving up directly on it, but if there is something incredibly exciting in a more, say, a discovery of something new in another field, I can imagine taking a little time off. But I think string theory is very much tied to what we know about quantum field theory and these so-called large N limits. And this is very dear to my heart. So one way or another, I'll keep working on it, I think.
Ashok.
I think I will give up string theory if we find a mathematical inconsistency. I mean, my main inspiration for working in string theory is the mathematical consistency of the theory. And if that is found to be at fault, I'll certainly give up.
So do you know of an historical analog where a theory as rich as string theory was given up because of mathematical inconsistency?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't think there was a historical analog of string theory that which are so mathematically consistent and yet turned out to be wrong.
Okay, Nathan.
May I add? David, may I add something? I mean, I gave up on the old string theory when I was young, and this was because there was a better theory that came out. So one day that people will come up with a better theory of quantum gravity, also explaining the standard model and all its parameters, then I would give up.